Hi guys, and welcome to Monty Style. We're doing taste today, and guess what we're making? We are making chicken cacciatore. It's not kitchen cacciatore, it's kitchen cacciatore. All right, so what you need is dark meat. You need 2 cups of rice, because we're making chicken cacciatore with rice. I already have my tomato paste already mixed with some other tomato sauce. You need some garlic. You need some vinegar that I mix garlic in. You need some white wine or cooking sherry. You need 2 onions, and I always chop my own tomatoes. You need pepper. You need Italian seasoning, salt, cayenne pepper. This is what I use for the tomato sauce. It's already inside of my little container. And you need a can of tomato paste to mix in. So I'm gonna put this up because I already mixed the 2. So you mix those 2 to make them really easy. But here's the kicker. Okay, you actually are supposed to use the tomato paste and the fresh canned tomato sauce and onions, white wine, vinegar, garlic. But you're actually supposed to use a chili pepper and a basil and a little bit of thyme. Italian seasoning has it already in there, all in one. So if you have this in your cabinets, don't make yourself crazy. And if you have some sea salt and some pepper, you're all done. The only thing that I do with my chicken cacciatore is, at the end, I always put mozzarella cheese on top of it. So let's start cooking. So just remember, 2 cups of rice. Water's already boiling, and I'm gonna pour that in. That's done. See how simple that is? And I'm going to put this away. And then next I'm gonna cut on my frying pan. Really simple. And I'm gonna make it nice and hot. I'm gonna bring my chicken over. First thing you do is fry your chicken, but you're just gonna brown it. That's it. So what we're going to do is season it. And I'm gonna use a little bit of gourmet crushed pepper, which I love. And this is very easy. Hold on, I'm gonna get a wooden spoon. And I'm going to turn my rice really quick. Put that on the side, and I'm going to use a little bit of sea salt and glaze my chicken with. I'm going to use a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to get my tongues out, and I'm going to turn them over. This is a really heavy meal for the fall. So it's sort of getting cold out now, so this would be really good. So most people use a leg and a thigh. They use 4 pieces. I just chop mine up because that's enough pieces for 2 people. So I'm going to season my meat again with a little sea salt. A little pepper. A little crushed pepper. And that's it. So now I'm going to take my chicken and I'm going to drop it into my oil. Now if you can get all your seasons in there, that would be great too. Now, I'm gonna put this away. Gonna grab myself a paper towel, lay that there. And you just want your chicken to get brown on both sides, a nice golden brown. You really don't want to cook it all the way through. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to turn my chicken with brown. Yep. Turn my flame down some. You see, you just want it brown. Like that. Turn it over. Turn it over. Get my rice. Now you're going to get your other ingredients and bring them over. You're going to need your onion. You're going to need your white wine. You're going to need your garlic. And you're going to need your vinegar. I'm going to move this out of the way. And your Italian seasoning. So, you're going to check your chicken. Now that it's nice and brown, I'm just going to put it back on a clean cutting board. Throw that over there. Throw that over there. Throw that over there. And put that to the side. Now you're just going to grab your onions, throw them in. Now you're going to throw your garlic. I'm going to throw that in. Now you're going to throw your vinegar. I'm going to throw that in. There we go. Now you're going to take your white wine. I'm going to throw that in. I'm going to put that on high, a little bit higher. Let that cook. Now you're going to grab your Italian seasoning. I'm going to throw that in. Just enough to cover the pan. There you go. You're going to grab your sea salt. Just a pinch. You're going to throw that in. I'm going to stir that around. You don't want your onions to get so soft yet that they're getting to turn into soft caramel. You know how they melt. And now you're going to grab your chili powder, or if you have a chili pepper, but I have cayenne pepper. I'm going to do a little of that. I'm going to mix that in. Now, what you're going to do is grab your chicken again, place that in. You're going to grab your chicken again, place that in. I'm going to place that in there, just like that. And I'm going to put this away. We're going to rinse it off. And now we're gonna grab our tomato sauce. See, crushed tomatoes. And we're gonna throw that in there. And I'm gonna turn that down just a little. Get this put away. Well, we're gonna drop it in the sink first, and I'll get that last. Then we're gonna do the fresh tomatoes that I chopped up because they got color, and throw those in there. We're gonna turn our rice down, and we're going to cover our rice. And don't forget, I use Uncle Ben's. So now we're gonna put that in there like that. Look at that, doesn't that look great? I'm going to let that simmer. It has nice color with the yellow tomatoes, right? So, the only thing that's missing is the mozzarella cheese. That goes in last. So now that that's on, I'm going to top it. And this needs to cook for 45 minutes. Look at that, it looks great, huh? I think I'm going to add just one more pinch of sea salt. Get that around in there. Get that around in there. Get that around. And you want to try to crush your tomatoes too, just like that. There we go. That looks great. Put that away. And rinse my hand off. So, we're gonna top this for 45 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and finish it off. But just so you know, chicken cacciatore does not use mozzarella. I use it because I like to have a little something, you know, to bring out more taste and so it sticks. So I'll see you in 45 minutes. The rice is already done. We just have to let that cook for 45 minutes. And then we're gonna show you what chicken cacciatore is supposed to look like. So I'll see you in 45 minutes with our fake commercial. Gotta go, bye. All right, hi guys, and we're back for a 45-minute meal. Chicken cacciatore, okay? So, the rice is done. I tasted it. It was really good. I mean, it was really good. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's already done. I'm going to turn it off. So my producer said that I should just show it as chicken cacciatore and don't put the mozzarella on it. So I'm not going to do it their way. I'm going to serve one plate with just the chicken cacciatore. And then I'm gonna put some matzah on mine. So, it's this easy. Just grab some of your rice, Uncle Ben's, put it on the side. You can serve this with asparagus, which is really good. But you have all this other stuff in here too, so you really don't need it. So, and you grab yourself one of your chicken cacciatores. You put it on the side. Like that. You can give some more of the gravy. Put it on the side. You can put some on the rice. Just like that. And that's it. You get your knife and fork. You pour yourself a glass of wine. And you have a meal. But you have to remember, this is a very, very heavy meal. But it's gonna be good. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. So, hey now, now don't forget to tweet me, Facebook me, email me at montes@montestyle.me. So, chicken cacciatore. I just gotta get one of my glasses and pour myself a glass of wine, because Daddy wants to drink. All right, ciao, bye-bye, see you later, and eat me, bye.